So welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. Because of that you can see here, this is the latest version of Samsung Android smartphone. And if you forget your Gmail ID account detail in this way, so how can you unlock your smartphone without using computer and without using any software? In just only 5 minutes you can unlock your all kind of Samsung smartphone by using this amazing service center offline method. So let's start the video first. You can see here, this is the latest version of Android like 15 and 16. But if you have also an older version of Android like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, so this method will work also. So let us start the step first. You have to connect your only charging cable, okay, only data cable. You have to connect this, and after that my friend, you have to remove your SIM injector, okay. After that, when you prepare your smartphone like that, your smartphone is ready to unlock. You have to open the emergency call option here and type *#0*#, and after that a new page comes into your mobile screen like that. After that my friend, you have to find a very important option called sensor. So click here to open this, and after that you can see here there are lots of sensors are synchronizing here. Okay, so you have to wait only 5 seconds to complete this, and after that go back to the main screen, and here you have to type again a code. The code is *#333*69011*0*#, and call this code. Done. Your phone is ready to apply unlocking method. After that you have to change your region to English United States, so you have to find this and click and select OK. Done. After that my friend, you have to start your configuration as usual. You can see here, so click agree, click setup manually, and here you have to connect your smartphone with internet or mobile hotspot, and this is very important to go further action. When you successfully connected to the internet, you have to open the add network, and here my friend, you have to find this small setting icon. So click here to open this, and here you have to go the last option. This is reset to default setting. You have to reset all the settings here. This is very important. So you have to open this, and you have to reset all of them one by one. If you have 2 options, 4 options, do the same thing, and done. Go back and go. The upper section is the first option, languages and types. So click here to open this. Go to the second option, manage input languages. You have to click this 3 dot, click check for updates, and when updates comes, you have to turn on the some few languages like English US and English UK. Okay, turn off all other languages, and you have to update the selected language. After that my friend, go back and find the layout section here, and you have to go down and find this a small www./.com. you have to turn on this option here. Go upper section and also turn on this alternative characters. Okay, go back and find again a very important option called suggest text corrections. So click here to open this, and after this you got this manage apps option. So click here to open this, and then you have to turn on or turn off for one time all available apps, and find a very important option called application name is Samsung Max VPN. So click here to turn off. Okay, only this will be done by you, and go back, and now you have to try to open your talkback option, and for that you have to press the power button plus volume up button on for the same time. Click use, again press power button plus volume up button for the single time. Okay, done. So after that my friend, you have to try to draw a opposite L like that. You can see here the voice command is not working well, so you have to try to draw the other sign of the L. Okay. After that, my friend, you have to select the screen search, double click, click open, and click to search, double click, done. And after that, my friend, you have to turn off this talkback option, and for that again you have to press the power button plus volume up button for the single time. Okay, go back, and now you have to open the emergency call option for again, and at this time you have to enter very unique the secret code here, and the code is *555*0*0*hash, and you have to call this code for one time and wait for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, and done. Go back to the main screen, and here you have to start your configuration again as usual. Click agree. At this page, you have to only select this setup manually, not Galaxy or Android device or iPhone or iPad. Only click this setup manually. Ensure that your phone will connected to the internet. Click the next button here and wait for the result. And now your smartphone is completely unlocked. Because of that, you can see here the small lock screen on the phone page and skip message. This skip message is very important to unlock your smartphone. So you have to only click this skip message to unlock your Samsung model. But if you have any queries regarding this method, so you have to only comment your specific Samsung model name. Then after, our team will reply to you within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your all kind of Samsung smartphone at your home at free of cost. This method is very easy and effective. So you have to only comment your specific model name. Our team will reply within 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. So don't try to skip this video at any moment, otherwise you won't be able to learn how can you unlock your Samsung smartphone at your home. You have to only follow all these steps one by one. Then after, you can unlock your smartphone. Okay. Select the next, click home, click agree, select your preferred setting, continue, select your preferred setting, click install, click finish, and done. Your smartphone is completely unlocked now. So if you have any queries, comment us. Our team will reply very soon. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.